Imagine a world hidden inside you, a universe so tiny that billions of miracles happen every single second. A world where every heartbeat, every breath, and every physical trait, your eyes, your voice, your identity, begins with one astonishing blueprint. Today, we dive into the breathtaking science behind the most powerful code on Earth, DNA. Our journey begins as the camera shrinks from the human body into the rushing bloodstream, racing past red blood cells until it reaches a single microscopic cell. Inside this living universe, one structure shines like the core of a galaxy, the nucleus. This is the control center, the vault that protects the very recipe of life. We move deeper, slipping through nuclear pores into a dazzling realm where chromatin fibers float like cosmic threads. Suddenly, these fibers fold, twist, and unite to form the legendary double helix, DNA, two long chains, perfectly paired, carrying a four-letter chemical code, A, T, C, and G. These letters might seem simple, but together they write the story of you. DNA is not just a molecule, it is the master blueprint of life. It determines your height, your skin tone, your hair texture, your immune responses, and even how your cells repair themselves. Every second, DNA replicates, sends instructions, builds proteins, and silently protects your entire body. And when we zoom out, from molecules to cells, from tissues to organs, and finally to the complete human form, one truth becomes clear. DNA is the invisible architect behind the miracle of life.